when we're there, yacht. Nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping at the river.
Hey guys, hey. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update now that I am fully settled at the hotel. It feels so good to be back home, y'all. It feels amazing to be on the island. And can I just tell you how heartwarming it was when I was flying in and just seeing the greenery. Like, I could not be any happier. I was just like, yo, the island is coming back. It's slowly but surely coming back, and I just, like, my heart smiled, you know. And I got picked up by Operation Blessing. Shout out to Jorge and Andy. Thank you guys for picking me up. We went straight to the distribution center. I dropped off the suitcases, and it was so good seeing all, like, the familiar faces. Pastor Mary, Shireen, Miss Pat, Opal, you know, like, everyone was, like, so excited to see me, and it's like, you're back. And I'm like, of course I'm back, you know, of course. But yeah, so I dropped the suitcases just now and just got here to the hotel, checked in. And tomorrow we're gonna hit the ground running and, you know, get back to work, you know, opening up the suitcases, making care packages, and, you know, going out into the communities and distributing them as well. So I cannot wait. Thank you to everybody who donated. Like, I could not be here doing this without you guys. It wouldn't be possible. So thank you. I'm excited to be back home, excited to get out into the communities and just help those that are in need. So stay tuned. I am going to take you guys along the journey, of course. Can't wait to share everything with you and show you all that we're up to. Oh, I have to tell them the story about customs, or I have to custom out and go on bad. Y'all, can you believe that they tried to charge me? Talk about how the things that mama having on my suit. Okay, let me not get into patois. So the customs and no, it's just customs really. When I landed and got my suitcases, and you have to clear customs, right? Usually the last time Billy and I came with our 10 suitcases, nobody questioned us or anything. We walk right through, right? This time they decided to question me and pull me aside, open up the suitcases. Clearly you can see it's hurricane relief items, but they wanted to charge me a hefty fee for bringing the items in. They were like, oh, how do we know that you're not trying to sell them, or you're not bringing them in to distribute for sale? I'm like, what? Do you not? I was, when I tell you I was upset. And then I was like, you know what? Okay, let me calm down, because they have a point. It could be possible, right? It could be possible. Like, people do that. People buy things abroad, come down and resell it. All right, cool. Because we got a lot of clothes, and the clothes, you know, look brand new and all. So I'm like, listen, I had to show them all of the social media posts that I was doing, all of the flyers, like, that we posted at Bricco, and, you know, I had to show them everything. And literally, like, I was in there with them for over 30 minutes trying to plead my case that I'm not here to sell the stuff. It is all donated. And then them asked me how much everything costs. I'm like, I don't know. It's all donated. I did not spend my money to do this. Like, people were kind enough to donate all of these items, and it is just because we're trying to give back to the country and help people in need. How can you charge me right now? So anyways, after I don't know how long, them finally say, all right, go on. I swear. Moral of the story is, if you're coming to Jamaica with a whole bunch of stuff to donate, apparently there's a process, and there's, like, some kind of form, or you have to get, like, some kind of special permission, or I don't know. I don't really know. But just be careful. Because I don't know if things change or they're getting strict or what, but be careful. If you're bringing clothes, take off the tags. Don't, you know, take them out of the packages. Don't keep them in. Anything that looks new, just undo it and make it look as close to your personal stuff as possible. Don't tell them you're bringing nothing to donate. Tell them you're bringing it for your family, because otherwise you're gonna have to go through some crazy channels. So yeah, it was insane. But anyways, we're here. I got them through. I didn't have to pay anything extra. I didn't have, thank God, because I would have been so mad. But anywho, look how beautiful the island is looking, and look at that sunset. God is good. God is amazing.